What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the filler for the SPX case. So we're going to go live. We're live at 148. It's 148 here in Denver. Got the list here. Jake on top, Chuck on the bottom. Jake on top, Chuck on the bottom. We're going 3 times, guys. Top 4 are going to win. Good luck. 1, 2. Peter on top after 2. That timestamp is in at 149. It's 149. Third and final time, guys. Good luck. Peter, Jake, Frankie, and Chuck. 4 different winners. Congrats, guys. I'll line you up to your teams here in a sec. $149, $149. Peter, you got the Leafs. Jake, the Knights. Frankie, the Canucks. And Chuck, the New Jersey Devils. Congrats, guys.